Folks, we're on the air test. Let's move that camera, I think, a little bit. I don't know. Let's see. We've got a walkie-talkie. I'm sure I can find it to fit the frame if we can get some focus. ES200 CB, the Eurosonic. Now we tested this afternoon and it failed the test, so we curtailed the test and I changed the crystal filter. It was sounding garbled, and this has brought the receive sensitivity up to more where we would expect it to be. So there we go. That's must have been garbled receive for years. That's of course it stopped talking now I've come in here to do the video. So we're redoing the on the air test. Only got as far as scratchy corner with Mr. Chippie, and I says no, let's curtail this, it isn't good enough. So there we go. I'm not doing a revisit video, I've changed the crystal filter, so simple as that. Tango 21 test.
Stand by.
Roger. I'll start off with the internal speaker. So we're on external aerial, the usual Antron 99, and external power. Mr. Chippie said there was a bit of a hum on this on transmit, but at the end of the day it's not intended to be run off a power supply, so we're going to forgive it that.
Tango 21, ready when you are.
Roger, I'm ready. I'll plug my extension speaker in.
Roger, let me know when you're ready.
Roger, I'm now ready.
Roger, off we go.
Roger, dodger.
Alright, passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and I've got a tone control on this.
Roger that, so we're heading up the line.
Lower,
towards the
higher,
end of it, now passing the parking place and doggy daycare, which is in use.
Roger, dodger.
Alright, we're coming up to the end of the line.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
We're heading up the lane towards the end of it, now passing the passing place and doggy daycare, which is in use.
Roger, dodger.
I guess the service station, and it's gone up again, 145.9 and 169.9.
What's that? 4.5 pence, isn't it? On petrol. I'm looking, we went to Ellesmere Port to everybody yesterday.
Yes, 4 pence on both of them overnight.
Cheeky what's this?
Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner, Wilford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a Eurosonic
ES200CB CB, which is a 3.1 watt handheld, and yeah, I'm on this built-in microphone. Over.
Yep, Roger, all received, no problems.
Roger, Roger.
Passing the top of the hill as we go down towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Top of the hill? I'm going over the Wilsford level crossing.
Mine.
No, I think it's me. I said it, didn't I?
Don't think I just repeated, didn't I? Yeah, we'll find out when we're leaving the hill.
Lost the plot. It was that drive yesterday. My God, there's some smoke over. Well, it looks like Kelby direction. Massive plume of smoke.
Well, I was just about to write down the fact that change crystal filter on this, you know, just for the billing notes.
Yep, roger that. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Yes, you got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
So we've got you the 5 mile point. I'm on this Eurosonic ES200 hand portable. It's doing 3.1 watts and it's going 1.1 amps. I'm going to go to low power. It's 410 milliamps. When I find it, 54321. And there we are on low power already. It's now doing 410 milliwatts and going 500 milliamps of current. Go back to full power. And there we are back on full power, over.
Yep, roger that. No problems on full power. Noisy on low power, but you were legible.
Roger on that. I'll be going when you're ready.
Roger that. Right, we're on the move. again.
Roger, Roger.
Right, we're square wheeled, not exactly the level crossing because it's quite a queue, but I can see traffic's moving again, so we'll be off in a minute.
Roger, Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. So petrol and diesel 140.9 and 165.9. So same as it was yesterday, or same as Ancaster was yesterday anyway.
There we go, can't be bad. Right, thanks so much, that works for you.
Roger that, 10-10.
Thank you, 10-10.
Handheld 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price? Is there a change there over?
So petrol and diesel 140.9 and 165.9. So same as it was yesterday, or same as Ancaster was yesterday anyway.
There we go. Can't be bad. Right, well, thanks very much. That worked a treat.
Roger that, 10-10.
Thank you, 10-10. Right, that's absolutely lovely. So we ended up changing the filter on that. I've broken my finger now. I'm trying to get some knobs off a radiogram. I'll go into that on the video. Right, I'll go over to our base station. We'll see what that sounds like on our Midland 76900. Tango 21, testing the ES200 into our Midland 76900. Doing 3.1 watts on full power. Drop it on low power. There we are on low power, doing 410 milliwatts. And go back to full power. That's a hum test. Mr. Chippie said there was a bit of a hum on this, but it's never intended to be on a mains power supply, so we're not going to moan about that. So tomorrow we've got a York A63. This one's for trucking and farming. We do them every other with other customers. So thanks for watching the Eurosonic ES200 from about 1989.